headed north. This is the second one I've seen this morning. Good morning. This is day 2 of the road north, but like what, day 42 I believe for harvest. So we spent the night last night in Hotel Pete, which I'm surprised. I think we both slept better than we thought we would. The sun's right in my eyes. The railroad is right just directly south of where we're parked. So Jim's getting the Freightliner fueled up with some more diesel fuel, and I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee here and we'll be off. We'll be headed north again. Busy intersection here at Bridgeport. Stop at Hot Springs for lunch. Feels like vacation. Well, we're as far as Belfouche for another fuel stop. And I've been thinking about something a lot after last night, trying to get the video put together for today. I never in any way put myself or my vehicle in danger. But what I did do is I just would turn on my video and then start taking pictures or start taking video without even looking or seeing what it was that I was doing. So I had a lot of editing to do last night, and it was not fun when I was as tired as I was, and all I wanted to do was go to sleep. And I was thinking about how we all need to be more intentional with our days, with our time, with whatever we're doing. We're being so eager to tell the story that we don't care how things are done. Because when we're more intentional, the better product that we have to show, the better story we have to tell. So if there's anything that I learned from last night is, I'm not going to do that again. I'm not going to just take video to take video or pictures to take pictures and then struggle to go through and create something that looks worthy. All I'm doing is cheating myself from something that could be better. So be more intentional with everything that you do, with all that you feel is important. Tell your story, but tell it with integrity and tell it with lots of character, and don't get in a hurry to try to edit to make it into something that it's not, because it never will be what you want it to be. You just got to do it right the first time. So I won't be doing that anymore. The only time I'll be taking video or pictures from a vehicle is if somebody else is driving, because I don't like to put out anything but quality work. So that's what I've been thinking about. And then another thing that I want to say is one of our very favoriteest restaurants that is part of our story here in Belfouche, the Bell Inn, is now just a gravel parking lot, and it makes my heart so sad. So we made it to our Montana to Broadus. So we're getting there. A little while more to go. in 2 days, 2 trucks, and thanks to Jim's way of maintaining stuff, we never had one issue. So now what we do is we get equipment put where it's going to stay for a couple of days. We get back in the Peterbilt and we head back down to Chase, load the combine, the trailer house, and head back up. So 930 miles back down, 930 miles back up. So we're 1/3 of the way done. And it looks like we have just a little bit of storage here. It's quite amazing to me, actually.